Hey guys, how's it going? It's BobbyKBikes here, and welcome to yet another RSW video. Today, we're going to be giving the September 73 RSW a little bit of TLC. Gonna get this mudguard off because there's something that should be holding the mudguard in place right about where this part of the rack is that's no longer holding it in place. So the mudguard rattles a good bit, and the metal's close to failing there, so the mudguard's coming off. No matter what. We've also got quite a nasty dent there that I've just noticed, and some paint flakage, and a lot of joy to look forward to. Also going to strip out the nasty wiring. I've just taken the idea with this wiring that we're going to strip it all out and start again, and going to sand down all the areas where there's rust and paint bubblage, and depending on how much time I have, I might get a bit of primer on it just to protect the metal until such a day as I can do a proper respray. So let's get cracking. Okay, first things first, we're going to have to get the back wheel off. And that means disconnecting this drum brake adjustment bit, which is a task that just brings me no end of joy. The number of times the back wheel's been on and off this bike this year already, with all the tyre changes. I'll just show you the rattle again. The mudguard should be like that. Well, maybe not quite like that, but it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be doing that, no matter what, it shouldn't be doing that. So, disconnect the toggle chain. I know you can't see her on the other side, but it's a 15 on both sides, it would appear. Normally sometimes it can be a different size on each side. So, I've got a damaged washer there, so that's going to have to come undone. That's going to prove problematic. Now I'm just trying to figure out. It's been a few months since I've had to do this thankless task. We'll move that back. There's a little tiny nut just there. Just undo that, and screwing it in the opposite direction of where I'm currently screwing it tightens the brakes, and doing it in the other direction. No, this is loosening the brake. Yeah, screwing it the other way tightens the brakes. We're currently loosening the brakes, so that with any luck it shouldn't be too hard to disconnect all this gubbins. There we are. Maybe. Or maybe not. This is certainly not my favourite bit of RSW ownership. There we are. Rear brakes disconnected. Wheel should the wheel should not in theory drop out now, because now oh yeah, the wheel's connected up there. So now we need to get a flat blade screwdriver on there. I do like how low maintenance the drum brakes are, but at the same time, when you do have to disconnect anything or take anything off, it's a bit of a pain. There we are. Yeah. Not exactly pretty. Underneath it's not too bad, because my dad's actually put a bit of wax oil on the underside of this, so the underside's actually alright. It's just around the edges where it's gone a bit crusty. Oh no. Yep, she's stuck fast. Either that or it's an imperial size. The spanner's not doing a thing to shift any of this. There's good news and bad news. Good news, I guess, is that the bolt sheared, so it all came out quite easily. The bad news is, as we suspected, the metal has pretty much failed, and we've got a chunk of the mudguard actually attached to this little bracket. So I've got ideas. This may not be the end of the world, but I have ideas. But let's get back to our disassembly. We've got a few cable ties holding all the dodgy wiring to the frame, so we're just going to snip those and, with any luck, tear out the wiring. Yeah, don't think it was even connected up at this end, but it's messy and it's old and it's probably not as efficient as some lovely new wire would be. Who knows, if water got into it, the copper could well be corroded or worsened. There we are. Now, let's hope that this is maybe just joined together by some tape and some promises. Yes. I don't want to rip it out all the way through the frame. I'll just stop here-ish. What am I doing? I've got pliers.